Once, in a sunlit valley between golden wheat fields, lived an old farmer and his 5 sons. The sons were tall and strong, with hands callous from years of labor. Each could plow a field alone before noon and lift hay bales as if they were pillows. Yet despite their strength, they wasted it on endless quarrels. "The plow is mine," argued the eldest, gripping the tool tightly. "You always take the best seeds," shouted the second, kicking up dust. Their fights grew so fierce that neighbors whispered, "Such strength wasted." The farmer, weary from their bickering, tried scolding them, but words alone did nothing. One evening, as he bundled firewood, an idea struck him like lightning. The next morning, he gathered his sons in the barn. "Break this bundle," he said, holding out a thick cluster of sticks tied with rope. The eldest son laughed. "Easy." He strained until his face turned red, but the bundle held firm. One by one the brothers tried. The strongest even kicked the bundle against the wall. Not a single stick snapped. Then the farmer untied the rope. "Now break them," he said, handing each son one stick. Snap, snap, snap. The sticks broke like dry twigs. The farmer knelt, placing a hand on his youngest son's shoulder. "A single stick is weak, but together." He retied the broken sticks into a new bundle. "Unbreakable, just like our family." The sons fell silent. That night they shared the plow without arguing. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall.